My video is about removing fake survey alerts related to the site Yehelproll.live. Yehelproll.live is a new malicious site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make people participate in the fake survey, but in reality it is a mistake to actually interact with these fake survey alerts. You should not trust all these deceptive messages by Yehelproll.live. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the consequence of some adware to be currently enabled in your computer. But if you mistakenly participate in these fake surveys, and if you share your personal data through these fake surveys, your personal data may be eventually granted to third parties illegally. So don't ever interact with these fake survey alerts by Yehelproll.live. Simply leave this page. And I also recommend that you investigate your device with a combo cleaner, which will help you to detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on the computer. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.